If you want to edit your edge panel in a Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, first let's start it with the settings. So open a settings on your phone and then move to the display. Scroll down and locate the edge panels. Make sure that they are activated, otherwise you won't be able to see them. Then there's the panels, which means that you can enable or disable different panels for your edge panel, and you can also edit most of them. So click on edit button right here, which will allow you to add or remove apps from it. So for example, let's remove everything, and only thing that I want there is Chrome. Then next thing is handle, which allows you to customize how the handle will look like. You can change position to the left side or right side of your phone. You can lock your handle position like this, and you can, if it's not locked, you can then move it around. Then there's a style which allows you to change the color for that edge panel, transparency as well, size, width as well. And that is most of the settings, or actually I think even all of the settings for edge panels and how you can customize them. So thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.